So I'm here today in Slovenia, and we just finished an event and had so many questions on how to use our synergy supplements in the context of sport and sport nutrition, how to use them around a workout, which supplements to use. And I'm going to answer some of those questions right now based on my own personal experience, what I use, what I've recommended to other people that I'm actually coaching, and based on my experience, what works best. So we have a lot of products that work really well to support sports nutrition. Which ones you use, when you use them, is going to depend on the type of exercise that you're doing. I am a lifter. I've done powerlifting for a long time. And so most of my goals are associated with anaerobic energy, with anaerobic exercise, trying to get my body to be able to do one more rep in the gym, to be able to get through a workout feeling good, and to be able to lift as much weight as I possibly can for as many reps as I possibly can. Now, for me, because my exercise duration is about 1 hour, I take my Pro Arginine and my Pro 360 Beats right before I start exercising, maybe 15 minutes before I start exercising. The Pro Arginine lasts throughout the entire duration of that exercise. So does the Pro 360 Beats. Pro 360 Beats doesn't last quite as long as Pro Arginine in my body. It spikes after about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it lasts for the peak effect lasts for about another half hour to 40 minutes after that. So for my 1 hour workout, that's about perfect. I take them both 15 minutes before, and I have that effect throughout my workout. And why are these two important? They're important because they're enhancing blood flow. That's really why they're critically important for exercise, because when I'm enhancing blood flow, I'm getting increased oxygen delivery to my muscles and to my brain. I'm getting increased flush. My body's able to flush out waste products, metabolic waste products, more efficiently. So my muscles can go longer before lactic acid builds up and they start to fail, or before they become anaerobic because there's not enough oxygen being delivered to my muscles. So for me, those two before my workout give me a better workout every time. I also, if I'm doing a workout in the morning or early afternoon, add E9 to that stack. If I'm doing it in the evening, because the E9 has caffeine, I tend to not use the E9 in the evening. But caffeine on its own is one of the better ergogenics. It helps enhance sports performance. Um, the combination of natural caffeine plus some of the other phytonutrients that you're getting from the yerba mate, the green tea, and the guarana can actually enhance mitochondrial performance, mitochondrial efficiency, giving my body more real energy, more ATP, the energy that my body uses as a fuel source. So when I'm using E9, I can basically just do more, and I feel better, feel more mentally with it, more ready to go lift. Now, in terms of protein consumption, when to take our protein products, either Smart Meal or Biome Shake. Both of these can work pretty well, especially as a post workout. Um, if I take my Smart Meal or my Biome Shake within, say, 30 minutes or so, maybe 45 minutes after I finish exercising, then I'm going to have better muscle recovery. I'm going to increase muscle synthesis, muscle protein synthesis. So that's really important as well. Another great post workout product that we have is Pro 360 Greens. Pro 360 Greens is a great post workout because it's providing a significant level of antioxidants and micronutrient nutrition that my body needs to recover. So these antioxidants, these micronutrients, these phytonutrients, they can help reduce reactive oxygen species that generate during exercise, help my body recover faster so that I'm more ready to work out the next day. Um, I also highly recommend our fish oil. Fish oil is an amazing product. It's not a sport performance product necessarily, but it's a product that if you take every day, you'll have less aches and pains in your joints, that kind of thing. You'll be able to, as I get older, I rely on fish oil to help improve my overall body function and joint health. Now, if I was a runner, if I'm an endurance athlete, if I'm doing really long exercises, I would switch things up a little bit. I would still take my E9 and my Pro Arginine before I work out, before my exercise. But if my duration of exercise is more than an hour, I would maybe take a half a serving of the Pro 360 Beats before exercise and another half serving during exercise. If I am an extreme endurance athlete and really doing 3+ hours of exercise, then I might take just my Pro Arginine before, a half a serving of beets, maybe a half an hour to 45 minutes into that exercise, and the other half serving of beets, maybe an hour and a half into exercise. I'd still do the same as far as recovery using either Smart Meal or Biome Shake and Pro 360 Greens, and I would still do the same as far as fish oil. So those are my recommendations for exercise, whether you're running, lifting, whatever you're doing to be active, use Synergy products to help optimize your performance.